So we're here with Lavoy Allen, and we're starting our Student Spotlight series here for the Wellness Institute of Chester County. And we're just going to talk to him today about what brought him to the Wellness Institute and why he chose the field of clinical massage therapy. So,
Okay. The reason I came to the Wellness Institute, I'm a retired professional athlete, now a stay-at-home dad, and looking for just a new career to start. And with being a retired athlete, I've had many massage therapists over the years, some good, some bad, and I see the good that can happen with massage. So I wanted to get in the field and contribute.
all right, thank you very much. And what are you hoping to do with once you get your degree?
Once I graduate, I want to do something with sports. I want to get back into working with athletes, and like I said, I've had many massage therapists when I was an athlete, and I see the good that can happen. It can extend careers and things like that. So I want to get back into working with athletes.
All right, thank you very much.